We're in Fresno, California. We just finished repairing a garbage disposal here. Got here the two of the screws that actually dropped out of the old mounting flange, and it was all corroded and rusted, and water had been dripping down here. So that was the first problem. The other one we'll talk about in a minute. But what we did is went over to the local Ace hardware store and got you a brand new mounting flange. So you can see that's brand new. And then of course new putty, and then 3 new mounting screws all mounted together, and then we just put your old disposal back in place, and so that's good. Second issue was there was water dripping back on underneath the faucet, and that is the hose. So right here, when you have this installed in this in the spout right here, so that spray hose is leaking right there. So we got you a part number for that. You can buy that on Amazon. It's a quick connect underneath, so real easy to install a new hose. So that was the second problem, and then the third one was we got the disposal mounted, and it wouldn't turn. So just a quick Allen wrench down here, get that thing turning, and then of course the red reset switch, and so it's going good. It doesn't appear that there's any water leaking out of this disposal, so I think you're good. There's a little bit of corrosion on it, but you'll probably get some more life out of this guy. But the main thing was the mounting flange. That's where all the water was leaking. So that's been resolved. Outside of that, this installation is done.